This black chicken breed is known as the most attractive chicken breed in the world. Millions of black chickens, a beloved food not only in Southeast Asia, but also around the world. Annually, over 100 million kilograms of black chicken meat is consumed globally, meeting the growing demand for this unique product. Let's discover the secrets behind the quality and distinctive flavor of black chicken meat, a symbol of culinary refinement. Not only are they distinguished by their characteristic black feathers as adults, but black chicks also have several other interesting features. First, black chicks demonstrate exceptional adaptability from the earliest days of life. They are able to find food and water on their own just a few hours after hatching, which is faster than many other chicken breeds. This not only shows their independence, but also helps them develop quickly in a natural environment. Each vaccination day for the chickens is like an eagerly awaited annual event, where each chick is invited to participate in a health festival. This is not just the art of nurturing and protecting the health of each individual in a joyful and professional environment, ensuring a bright future for the black chickens. Adult black chickens are not just a rare breed, but also possess many surprising and interesting qualities. Nutritionally, black chicken meat is not only flavorful, but also contains high levels. The diet of mature chickens during this stage is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive and balanced nutritional feast. Each meal is a delicate combination to meet the specific needs of the black chickens during this stage of development. It's not just about nourishment, it ensures that the quality of the chicken meat reaches its peak flavor. Every component in the diet is carefully selected to enhance. In terms of reproduction, black chickens maintain a high reproduction rate. This capability not only helps stabilize and expand the population of black chickens, but also brings significant profits to farms. Investing in this breed often yields high economic returns, making them a top choice for breeders due to their stable growth and efficient reproductive abilities. festive occasions. The price of black chicken meat is typically significantly higher than that of common chicken breeds. Black chickens are recognized not only for their distinctive appearance, but also for their unique health benefits. Most notably in the medical field, black chickens are considered not just food, but a valuable medicinal resource. In traditional medicine, they are often used in remedies that enhance health. In traditional Chinese medicine, black chicken meat is believed to replenish vital energy and blood, aid in recovering from physical debility, and boost the immune system. Their popularity in these medicinal applications also enhances their commercial value. Chicken meat undergoes a strict processing procedure to ensure hygiene and quality. The first step in the processing line is plucking the feathers. The feather plucking equipment is designed to completely remove the feathers without damaging the skin surface. The machine uses a rotating shaft system with soft rubber heads, ensuring that the feathers are gently and efficiently removed, leaving the meat surface smooth and clean after processing. Finally, each chicken undergoes a strict quality. The chicken meat is placed on a conveyor belt and enters the vacuum packaging machine. This process removes air from the packaging, slowing down oxidation and preventing the growth of bacteria. Vacuum packaging not only helps extend the product's shelf life, but also preserves the freshness as if the meat were freshly processed. After packaging, the product is then labeled in detail, including information about the origin, packaging date, expiration date, and usage instructions. Finally, the black chicken meat is boxed and prepared for distribution. In the cold storage, the boxes are neatly stacked and kept at a low temperature to preserve the meat.